Alright, so today I was confronted with a very, very big question. When is technology too much? And it really hit me hard. I'm going to have to build up. But essentially, I was eating lunch at my favorite place, Usi Sushi. It's my new favorite place because I found out that the cashier really likes me. He told me I was his friend. He said, I give you a nice spring roll for $3.54. And I was like, damn, dog, like, we just met. You gonna hook it up like that? I respect that. I told him my condolences from your man's Jin Sushi. Word on the street is he might not even be dead. He could have jumped up the boat, or Kyle could have came back, or like Jack's dad could have came and saved him. Who knows? So don't even stress about it, dog. And by the way, go ahead and say hi to Inuyasha, Kagome, Gohan, RZA, Jizza, the Ghostface Killer, half of Tiger Woods, Missy from Pokemon. Go ahead and go say hi to Ash too. And he was like, wasabi. And I'm like, that's wasabi. So, I know that doesn't have to do with technology, but later on, as I was pondering the metabolic pathways of my, digestive tract from the sushi, thought to myself, the Shakespearean question, to flush or not to flush? And that is the question. But it's not my question. I don't get to ask myself that anymore because you know what? The technologists have invaded our stalls. Obama. Where are you at? I voted you in office for the change. You said you'd be the change I could believe in, but I don't see it. I mean, yeah, today I got half a snow day, and dog, you've been in office for half a month, and I really appreciate you holding it down. You holding it down. I respect that, but you got to handle your business because I don't really want to play Dance Dance Revolution when I'm trying to get my hands washed. And don't ask me about no soap because I ain't getting them. And don't even mention the napkins. Like I want 3. Everyone knows why I want 3. One for each hand and one for the door. The door, You only use one for the door? Oh. Okay. I mean, a lot of germs on the door. Think about it. But essentially, if we don't do something, Obama and everyone else in the elected officials swearing we're a democracy, then one day these urinals are gonna, they're gonna tell us how to do it. There's gonna be a little screen. It's gonna tell us, like, learn to aim, buddy. And I could do it. All right, you could do it. I could do it. We could do it. Yes, we can, Obama. Yes, we can.